Welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is the length of the curve. Subtopic is polar form problem. This is very most important problem. Find the parameter of the coordinate r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Also show that the upper half of the coordinate r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is bisected by the line theta equal pi by 3. Okay, ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మ మనకి డయాగ్రామ్ వచ్చేసి this is x axis, this is y axis. See here, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇలా 1 ప్లస్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి మనకి ఫస్ట్ యాక్సిస్ మీదకి తీసేసుకుంటామండి దీన్ని. ఓకే, కర్వ్డ్ కాబట్టి సేమ్ మనకి ఇది వస్తుంది, దీని ఇమేజ్ ఇది. ఓకే, సిమెట్రిక్. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఏంటంటే మనకి ఇంకేమి ఇచ్చాడు, బైసెక్టర్ ద లైన్ అన్నాడు. బైసెక్టర్ ద లైన్ అన్నాడు టీటా ఈక్వల్ టు. ఓకే, సేమ్ టీటా ఈక్వల్ టు పై, ఇక్కడ టీటా ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సో బైసెక్టర్ ద లైన్ హియర్, దిస్ ఇస్ line. What is the theta equal to pi by 3? Pi by 3, what is that? 60 degrees. Okay, right? This is the origin. Now this a point is 2a comma 0. Okay, right. Solution, we have r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. The coordinate is symmetrical, about the initial line, and passes through the pole. And passes through the pole when theta equal to pi, r equal to 0. Okay, also when theta equal to 0, r equal to 2a. Okay, right. See here, for its upper half, this one, this line is upper half, theta increases from 0 to pi, Okay, now dr by d theta equal to minus a sin theta. See, d by dt into 1 constant 0. Okay, right. Length of, therefore, upper half of the coordinate zero to pi root of a into 1 plus cos theta plus dr by d theta, what is that? Minus a into sin theta whole square into d theta. Okay, right. See, now here a square root a square, 0 to pi root a square common, and root of, see here, 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta into d theta, square root get cancel, a into integral 0 to pi and root of 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta plus sin square theta into d theta. See, 1 plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, see, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. Okay, a into integral 0 to pi and root of 2 plus 2 cos theta into d theta, that equal to a into 0 to pi root 2 and root of 1 plus cos theta into d theta. Okay, what is that? This value is 2 cos square theta by 2, this one. Okay, 2 cos square theta by 2. This is formula. Okay, remember that this one. Now see here, root 2 is the common. Root 2 into root 2, 2a. Okay, 2a. Next up here, 2a integral 0 to pi and root of cos square theta by 2. Okay, see, square root get cancelled here. Root 2 into root 2, 2a 0 to pi cos theta by 2 into d theta. Okay, right. See, that equal to 2a sin theta by 2 by 1 by 2 0 to pi. Okay, see here, 2 reciprocal here, 2 to the 4a. Now sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Okay, sin pi by 2, what is that? 1 minus 0, that equal 4a. Okay, see here, hence perimeter of the chordioid 2s, 2 into this value is s. Okay, 2 into 4a equal 8a. Okay, now length of the arc from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi by 3. Okay, that equal to integral 0 to pi by 3 on root of r square plus dr by dt whole square into dt. See here, r square plus dr by dt whole square into dt. Okay, right. That equal to integral 0 to pi by 3 and root of, what is that, a into 1 plus cos theta whole square plus minus a sin theta whole square into d theta. ఓకే, మనం ఆల్రెడీ దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై సేమ్ దీన్ని ఇలా ఇంతకుముందు చేసాము. దీన్ని డైరెక్ట్ రాస్తున్నానండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఏ స్క్వేర్ కామన్ వస్తుంది. ఏ అండ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 2 ప్లస్ 2 కాస్ థీటా ఇంటూ డి థీటా. సి హియర్ ఇంటెగ్రల్ 0 to pi a root 2 and root of 1 plus cos theta d theta, that equal to integral 0 to pi a into root 2 and root of c here cos square theta by 2 into d theta. Square root get cancelled, that equal to 2a, sorry, here pi by 3, here pi by 3, here pi by 3, integral 0 to pi by 3 cos theta by 2 into d theta. Okay, 2a, sorry, sin theta by 2 into 1 by 2 0 to pi by 3. Okay, right, 2a into 2 to the 4a, that sin pi by 3 by 2 minus sin 0. Okay, ఈ 2 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి మనకి 4 అవుతుందండి. 4a pi by 6, sin pi by 6, what is that? 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 minus 0, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, that equal to a. అదర్వైజ్ ఇలా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చండి మనం. ఏంటండి, ఆర్ అని చెప్పేసి 4a ఇంటూ 1 by 2, దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 2 ఇంటూ, ఇక్కడ 4a అంటే ఏం చెప్పానండి మీకు, ఇక్కడ 4a అనగానే ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మ, అనగానే ఏంటంటే 4a అంటే ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4a. అంటే మనం 4a ఉన్న చోట ఏం చేయొచ్చు అండి, ఎస్ అని పెట్టచ్చు కదా. ఎస్ అని చెప్పేసి పెట్టేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా అండి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ 1 by 2 ఇంటూ ఎస్, that equals half of the length of upper half of the chordioid. Okay, hence the upper half of the chordioid is bisected by the line theta equal to pi by 3 అని చెప్పేసి రాస్తే సరిపోతుందండి. See here, hence the upper half of the chordioid is bisected by the line theta equal to pi by 3. Okay, Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget like and share. Thank you.